Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake juicy, full guide. Start by making a simple syrup with equal parts sugar and water. Simmer until clear. Cool slightly and add extracts or citrus zest for flavor. Brush the warm cake layers evenly, allowing 5 to 10 minutes absorption time between coats. Store cakes wrapped in plastic at room temperature to retain moisture and serve within 3 days for best texture and taste. For juicy cakes, syrups are your secret weapon, and they are easy to customize. Try a 1-to-1 sugar to water ratio, then add lemon zest or brewed tea for subtle notes. For boozy cakes, mix in a splash of liqueur after the syrup cools. Apply syrup with a pastry brush or dropper in thin layers and let each layer fully absorb before adding more to avoid soggy spots and ensure even moisture. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, perfect for keeping crumbs off counters while you bake. It saved me time between batches and lets me focus on flavor instead of cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Baking time and storage matter just as much as syrup for juicy results. Pull the cake when a toothpick shows a few moist crumbs, not completely dry. Cool layers on a rack and brush with your syrup before stacking to keep interior layers moist. Once assembled, chill briefly to set, then wrap or cover tightly at room temperature to keep the crumb tender and ready for serving over the next couple of days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.